Today's my topic is to make you today's my topic is to make you understand about the international date line. Okay, what is international date line? Okay, anyone knows what is international date line? हाँ बेटा, no one knows what is international date line. हाँ बेटा, can you see my screen, boys? Or I have presented. Can you see that, boys? Can you see my screen? Hello, boys.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes. Now, first of all, we have already learned everything about latitudes. Okay, is it clear? Clear. Now, see, beta. Now, see, listen here carefully. Longitudes are the horizontal line. What are they? Longitudes are the vertical lines. What are they, beta? Hello, boys. What are they? Boys, can you listen me? Hello, Zaki, can you listen me? Zaki,
Yes,
Fazil,
ma'am.
yes, you can listen me, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, beta, listen. Longitudes क्या होते हैं? They are what are which type of lines they are? They are vertical lines. Okay, longitudes basically are vertical lines. Okay, and they run from north to south. Okay, from where do they run? From north to south. And apart from that, beta, longitudes जो होते हैं, what are they? They divide the earth into which hemispheres? Into eastern and the western hemisphere. In which hemisphere do they divide, beta? Beta, in which hemispheres they divide? Into eastern and the western hemisphere. Okay, clear? Say yes or no, clear? Okay, they divide the earth into which hemisphere? Longitudes into eastern and western hemisphere. देखो, just as how latitude divides the earth into which hemisphere? Equator divides northern and southern hemisphere. Yes or no? Yes or no, beta? Beta, yes or no? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
यस, लॉन्जिट्यूड जो होते हैं वो ईस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर को डिवाइड करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? ओके.
Yes.
एंड which longitude divides the eastern and western hemisphere? The 0 degree longitude, that is the prime meridian. Now, prime meridian is also known as the Greenwich line. What it is known as, beta? The Greenwich line. Okay. Is it clear why it is known as Greenwich line? Because it passes, okay, because it passes from the Greenwich in England. Okay, that is why it is also known as the Greenwich line. Is it clear, beta, till here? Is it clear? Is it clear? Beta, can you listen me? Beta, can you listen me? Fazil? 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 बेटा कैन यू लिसन मी रिप्लाई तो करो राजानी अलियसगर अमार गाजी अब्बास जोहेब अमान
Yes, ma'am.
yes if you can listen at least reply learn to reply okay so what are longitudes beta they are the vertical lines okay they are the vertical lines that run from the north to the south okay is it clear now beta जैसे longitudes latitudes अर्थ को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते थे ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में राइट नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में तो वैसे ही what does this latitude do you know longitude do they divide the earth into two hemispheres and which is that you know anyone knows into two hemisphere that is the eastern and western hemisphere is it clear is it clear chalo yes Zohair Abbas
Yes, ma'am.
yes read this prime meridian paragraph
Okay. Prime meridian, Greenwich. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere
and
and
western hemisphere
it has longitudes extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as the prime meridian.
yes now see beta जैसे 0 डिग्री longitude है right so that 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian and what is the main role of it Rajan Zohair Abbas you know no that it divides the earth
It
into which
divides the earth into two equal hemispheres.
and which are they which are they
Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere.
absolutely right the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere correct right now they meet at the poles what do they do beta they meet at the poles all the latitude all the longitudes you know beta वो लोग मीट करते हैं पोल पे हैव यू एवर सीन इन ऑरेंज हैव यू एवर सीन इन ऑरेंज बेटा है बेटा, हैव यू सीन ऑरेंज? ऑरेंज दिखा देखा है किसी ने? जो है
No.
ऑरेंज, ऑरेंज। हैव यू सीन ऑरेंज बेटा? सी आई शो यू, वेट। सी दिस, कैन यू सी दिस फिगर? Can you see from here? It's like an orange shape. So this way, the latitudes they meet here at the poles, at the north longitude. Sorry, not latitudes. Longitudes they meet at the poles. Is it clear? Do you understand, beta? Yes, say yes or no. Is it clear? They meet at the poles and see they run like this way.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Chalo. See, I'll try and show here. They are not parallel ना, because they meet at the poles. Okay. यहाँ पे वो मीट करते हैं longitudes. Can you see? Like this way they run. Clear?
Ada saat kira gitu.
અહીંયા north है અને south pole है, એ લોકો longitudes they meet. Okay? See, I'll show you. Can you see here in the next figure? देखो यहाँ पे meet करते हैं longitude. Okay? Yes, read बेटा. जो है
Yes,
जो है
better. The equator is most significant line. It
significant.
divides the Earth
एक
into
मिनट,
two
किसके
equal
माइक पे
halves.
इतना आवाज आ रहा है? Whose mic is having so much noise? Okay, continue जो
Equator.
है
Equator is the most significant line.
significant.
Divides the Earth into two equal halves. The northern half of the Earth is known as northern hemisphere, and the southern half of the Earth is known as southern hemisphere. It is 0 degree latitude. It is the largest latitude.
Yes. What it is? It is the largest latitude. Okay. Equator is the largest latitude. Clear? बेटा समझाना. Okay. So equator is a 0 degree latitude and it passes from the center of the earth. Now longitude, as we were discussing, right? So है longitudes क्या है? They are also imaginary lines, but they are semicircle. How are they? How are they? Beta, they are semicircles. Okay. The imaginary semicircle lines running south pole to north pole are called longitudes. Okay, beta. Yes, Zoe, read this slide, beta.
Longitudes. The imaginary semicircular lines running from northern pole to south pole are called longitude. They are equal in length but not parallel. 180-degree east and 180-degree west meridians are on the same line.
Yes, very good. So what it is about here? About longitudes, right? Beta, they are imaginary semicircular lines running from the south pole to the north pole or north pole to the south pole. But they are equal in length but not parallel. What are they? Alpha, they are equal in length. What are they?
Equal in length,
Yes, they are equal in length but are not parallel. Are they parallel?
but are they not parallel?
They are not parallel. And beta 180 degree on east and 180 degree on the west meridians are on the same line. Is it clear till here? Right? Chalo.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Now this one we will see. Yes, Fazil, would you like to revise the previous slide about longitude?
No.
Fazil?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, will you like to revise this?
Longitudes. The imaginary semicolor line running from north pole to south pole are called longitudes. They are equal in length but not parallel. 180 degree east and 180 degree west.
Yeah. Understood everyone?
Not
Now we will see about longitude. Okay? Yes. Yes, Fazil, continue. Fazil? Fazil?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, continue.
Okay.
Okay. So I guess Fazil is having some problem. Okay. So longitudes, beta. Longitudes are known as what? They are known as meridians. जैसे latitudes were known as what? Latitudes were known as parallels, no beta? हाँ?
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? तो वैसे ही longitudes are known as meridians. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Latitudes are known as parallels and longitudes are known as meridians. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to remember this name. Okay. Now, beta, the most important thing is, 0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich as it passes from England. Okay.
Okay.
Now the degrees continue to 180 degree east and west until they meet international date line. Where do they meet, beta? International date line in the Pacific Ocean. Now, what is this international date line? I'll discuss this point with you all, okay? Yes. What is today's date, Zuhair? Zuhair, what is today's date?
11.
Yes, it's 11, right? You know that it's 11, right? But sometimes when you are traveling to another country, huh?
It is 12, not 11.
Okay, Zoer is saying 11, so we'll say it's 11. Okay, we'll see, we'll check out. Okay, okay. But if I'm saying 12, then it's 12. If you are Fazil will say it's 13, it will be 13. Will it be like that? Will it be like that? No, it won't be like that, right? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? But beta, dates are decided according to, you know what? According to international date line. International date line is one longitude. What it is? It is one longitude. What it is, beta? International date line is one important longitude. Clear? Right? Yes. Now, international date line also passes from the Pacific Ocean. From where does it pass, beta? From the Pacific Ocean. You know, many times you might have noticed that when you are traveling from one place to another place, date and day changes होते हैं कि नहीं? If you are traveling by uh, any country and if you pass the Pacific Ocean, the date and day changes. What happens? Yes, understood? Yes, go ahead. Read this paragraph of international date line. Zohair, Zohair Abbas. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Fasil, read better this paragraph. Fasil, all of you are fasting or what? Not able to speak also? Chalo. Now, let us discuss more about international date line, okay? There is only one 180-degree longitude. Okay, how many? Only one. Okay, 180-degree longitude. And this longitude is known as international date line. Clear? Okay. When one crisscrosses, okay, when one crisscrosses this international date line means international date line, the date and day changes. What does happen, beta? The date and day changes. Okay, clear? Okay. Now the international date line passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates two calendar dates. What does it do, beta? Separate two calendar dates. Okay. Are you able to understand or not, beta? Okay. So it is not exactly 180-degree at all the places since the line crisscrosses across several time zones. Okay. Clear? Okay. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands. And due to this, they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. Okay, there will be 2 dates and 2 days, like 2 Sundays, 2 Mondays, like that way. Okay, but as it is drawn zigzag, beta, same day or same day nahi rehti. Understood? So this won't create confusion. See, if there are 2 Mondays, then which Monday to reach there? First Monday or second Monday? Understood my point? So to avoid such confusions, it is drawn zigzag like this way. Can you see this? Boys, can you see this international date line? Chalo, no problem. If you have seen, then it's fine. Okay. So therefore, the line when it passes over land. Okay, it is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not drawn straight but zigzag like this. Can you see it is zigzag? I'll also show you in PPT. Wait, see here. Can you see? It is drawn like this way so that it will not pass from any island. Understood? Understood, beta? See here. Can you see here? This is your international date line. Can you see, beta? Can you see? Chalo, very good. So everyone understood till here? Two topics we discussed today about the prime meridian. Sorry, starting from the longitude, the basic, then the prime meridian, right? All of you? Shall any doubt till here, anyone? Any doubt, all of you?